Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today, I'm showing you how to download and install EndNote software, full paid version, for free. Let's go to the video.
Open the browser and search File CR. Click the first link. Then the website will open. Search the EndNote in the taskbar. Click the EndNote software. Click the direct download. Click this on green box. Now you can see it downloading.
After download, move to File Location. Double-click on WinRAR file. Select this file in extract to. Enter the password as 123 and click OK. Close this. Now double-click on Extract File. Click on Setup. Now, set up like this video. Select the second circle and click Next. Continue the setup. Now, EndNote has been successfully installed. Click on Finish. Go to the EndNote extracted file. Click on README text document. Now, open the EndNote software. Now enter your name. Enter your organization or university. Now, go to the previously opened text document. Copy this key and paste here. And click on Next. Select here and continue. Ignore this too. Now, create new library. Select Save Path and click Save. Now, you can see the EndNote software. Go to the browser and search Science Direct. Search your keywords. Select the research article and click. Now, click and select the Export Citation to RIS. Then, download the citation. Open the download file. Change the file type as EndNote. Now, double-click on Citation, and you can see your reference details. Now, go the word and click where to apply the citation. Click on Insert Citation. Click Insert Selected Citation. You can see citations are automatically added. Now you can see your reference like this. If you want to add the DOI links and the access date, change those settings. Open this notepad. Go to the EndNote. Click on Tools, Output Styles, Edit Harvard. Click on Template. Edit template like this. Select the font and the font sizes. Now you can close the window and save like this. Now go the Word document. Select the reference. Change the reference style like this. Now, you can see your reference was updated. Now, I'll show you how to link your reference. Follow these steps. Now you can see reference are linked.